Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. Wanted to show you our dinette table. This is an option in our Luxe Gold and Luxe Elite. This is a very high-end, luxury, sturdy dinette table. I wanted to show you the mechanism underneath and the brace that you get. That's a very heavy-duty brace. And this area here is where you pull this latch. You just press in and you can pull this table out. Now it's pretty stiff, so it takes some oomph to get this bad boy out. So this is with the table all the way out. 2 leaves go in there, and you can fit 4 chairs around that. I'm going to show you. We'll pull this chair up. We just had 4 people sit very comfortably. 4 adults sit very comfortably around this table. So hey, give us a call at 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com and ask us some questions about our dinette table and the storage underneath the chairs. Have a great day.